This is Bill and Tanya, Estes method at the creek bed. There is background noise, so we're not looking for EVPs. Hello, is there anybody here with us?
The Farnsworth.
We are near the Farnsworth, and we stayed there last night. Are you
Hi.
Hello. Are you from the Farnsworth?
I'm moving.
Where are you moving to?
Ominous.
What's ominous? What's your name?
There's a lot of voices going on, but they're really distant. The Farnsworth.
Are you saying we should go to the Farnsworth?
Right here.
Stay right here. Got it. So if you're from the Farnsworth...
That's me. Right now.
What's your name? Did we
Old
talk?
Mill.
Old Mill? Are you referring to Old Mill Village?
Wonderful.
Should I go to Old Mill Village?
Hold on.
I'm holding on.
Thank you, Bill.
You're welcome. So what is your name? Did we talk to you at the Farnsworth?
Be quick.
I know, I gotta be quick, my battery's dying on my camera.
I'm in trouble.
Well, I can help you, but you have to tell me your name.
All right, I'm done. I'm done.
You done? What happened?
For a minute. Just so much shit. Like so much shit.
That... I don't know about you, but for me,
I'm
that
like
was...
really freaked out.
Do you want to leave here?
No, I'm like just a lot. There's like a lot of noise going on.
Very first thing you said was Farnsworth.
Farnsworth twice, and it came out really freaking clear.
Yeah. But I asked if you were from the... Are you from the Farnsworth? I didn't get a response. Old Mill came through. Next weekend, there's a ghost hunt at Old Mill Village. And I went to Old Mill Village last year. So I asked if there was anything about that. So one thing that was weird was when you started reaching for me, and you said, hold on, grab me, hold me, something like that. So I grabbed onto your arm, and you said, thank you, Bill. I kept asking if this was somebody that we had already talked to at the Farnsworth. He said, be quick, I need help. Hurry up. And then my battery was dying in the camera. I guess that second battery wasn't charged. I'm like, yeah, I got to be quick. My battery's dying. And then you freaked out.
No, it's just there was a lot, there was a lot. But like it was going really fast, but it was loud, but it was so muffled. But there was a lot of, and then that last one was a deep voice. That scared the shit out of me.
You did say ominous at one point. With this camera, I'm just going to take some pictures.
But that time it felt like you were far away again.
So,
and I couldn't find you.
So, say right where you're at.
Uh-huh.
This is as far away as I got. And the only reason I was that far away was because I was taking pictures and video. I was just trying to see stuff. If there's anybody here, I know you were talking to Tanya, frightened her a little bit. This little thing here, if you touch this metal piece, it'll light up and make noise like that. So if you want to continue talking to us, please make that go off.
Yeah, the phone's working on. It's really clear both times.
Yeah.
Because why would I say that? Like, why would?
As soon, like the very first thing was Farnsworth. We gotta stay there again next time we come here. Well, that's a pretty smile on that one. Wasn't aiming for you on that one. I just got you.
Here, let's do a selfie over here.
Just shut it off, dude.
Oh. We'll do a spooky selfie here.
Oh, I did not look good at that one.
You look like a killer. No, it looks stupid. One more time. Crazy.
With the flash, it almost seems like it takes pictures quicker than without the flash.
I don't know if it was just my anticipation. I don't know. I feel like very energized. Like I was just feeling really antsy. But it was definitely like so much louder and more, like a lot of voices. A lot of it was radio. But
I'm definitely have to see if I can find the charger for the batteries on this camera. If not, I'm sure I could order one. I just gotta. Anyway, I'm gonna stop the recording here.
A lot of voices going on, but they're really distant. The Farnsworth. Hold on.
I'm holding on.
Thank you, Bill.
You're welcome. So what is your name? Did we talk to you at the Farnsworth?
Be quick.
I know, I gotta be quick, my battery's dying on my camera.
I'm in trouble.
Well, I can help you, but you have to tell me your name.
All right, I'm done.